In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go live with your WP Engine site. This guide is designed to walk you through the entire process, making it simple and straightforward, even if you're not a tech expert. Let's begin by logging into your WP Engine dashboard. This is your control center, where you have access to all the sites you've been working on. After you've logged in, you need to select the site environment you want to make live. Typically, this would be the staging or development environment. This selection is crucial because you want to ensure that you're working with the correct version of your site, one that has all the changes and updates you intend to go live with. Before making any significant moves, it's always best practice to review your site thoroughly. This means going through your pages, posts, and the overall design to ensure that everything looks and behaves as expected. You want to catch any glaring errors or omissions now before your audience sees them. Next, you'll want to check your plugins and theme settings. These components are the backbone of your site's functionality and appearance. Make sure that all plugins are up to date and functioning correctly, and double check that your theme settings are as intended. If your site includes booking or e-commerce functionality, it's vital to test these features to guarantee that everything from booking appointments to checking out runs smoothly and without errors. Now you're ready to deploy the site. Navigate through your WP Engine dashboard to Sites, then Environment, and select the Deploy or Push to Live option. This step effectively takes your site from its draft state to being viewable by the public. Depending on if you made independent changes to the live environment, you may choose to merge changes or overwrite the live environment completely. Merging is safer if you're unsure and want to preserve some aspects that might be needed later. Once you've made your decision, confirm the deployment by clicking Push to Live. This action sends your changes from the staging or development environment to your live site. The process may take a few minutes, so it's time to sit back and let the system work its magic. After the deployment is complete, it's crucial to thoroughly test your live site. Check all pages, links, and forms to ensure everything works correctly. Also, confirm that the SSL certificate is applied correctly, providing the essential security for your visitors. Lastly, if your site includes payment gateways or booking systems, make sure these functionalities are operational, as any hiccups here can significantly affect your user experience. With these steps completed, your site should be live and operational, ready for the world to see. Thank you for following along.